Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Once again, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, be ready with your maths notebook. Varenya, I can see very excited thing at the back of you. What it is?
Ma'am, it's the
Your
clock.
mouse. So, what are you doing with that? May I know that?
Ma'am, I was understanding the system of the clock.
Okay. So, will you explain us? Will you bring the? Can you take
Ma'am,
your?
okay, ma'am. Yes. Event today. It's Doctor's Day today.
Okay. Very nice. Yes, Varenya. Can everyone pin Varenya? She has made the clock. I will explain with this clock. It is very nice. Very good. Very good, Varenya.
Thank you, ma'am.
So I will wait one more minute, then I'll start the class. Grade 4A, I think, need many time reminders that join class on time. Join class on time. I will wait 1 minute and then I'll start the class. So till that I'll ask the chapter name. Which chapter we are going to do today now?
Tick, tick, tick. Tick, tick, tick.
Tick, tick, tick. So what do you think this chapter is about what?
Ma'am, the time. Time.
Yes, this chapter is about clock.
Clock.
We are going to learn about time in this chapter, right? Okay.
Yes.
So I'm going to present and I'm going to show you something. Kavisha, Laisha, Nirvirani, you are joining late, my dear students. 2 minutes late. Please join on time. Can everyone see this?
Yes, ma'am. There are lots of clocks of different
Lots,
types.
lots,
Yes,
different
ma'am.
types of clock. Okay, there are different types of clocks. So you can see there are different shapes also, right? Some is in rectangle, square, circle. So what do you think? Is it necessary that the clock is in only circular shape?
No, ma'am. Oh,
Clock
ma'am, it
can
could
be.
no, ma'am. Square shapes
It can
like
be in any. See this here. You can see in the heart shape. Here you can see in
ma'am.
the dial.
Did
Yes,
you show not the house clock?
yes, house
It
one.
has a bird also. When it
Yes,
goes
tick
at
tick.
12 o'clock, it does.
Yes, yes. So you can see there are different types and different shapes of clock. But there is one similarity in all the clocks. Can anyone tell me what is the similarity? Similarity means जो एक चीज है वो कॉमन है सब
Ma'am,
पे
I can.
वो that cannot be changed. Can wait, I'll call the
Ma'am,
child
can
name.
I?
I will call the child name. Hit, can you explain us in
No, ma'am.
spite of changes ये बहुत there are different shape clocks, but there is one thing which is similar, which is common in all the clocks.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Varun.
Ma'am,
Yes,
numbers.
yes.
Ma'am, numbers.
Okay, numbers are common. Anyone
Ma'am,
else?
can I? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Prayag.
Ma'am, the time. Ma'am, the time.
Mute
Ma'am,
yourself,
minute and second.
Laisha. As I already announced,
Just show time.
children,
Minute.
you want that the teacher mute you all?
Minute. Ma'am, minute hand, hour hand, and second hand.
Yes, the hands, the timing, the numbers, that is common in this clock. Whether it is the rectangle clock होगा या circle clock होगा या square clock होगा, time तो सब में same होगा. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
In all the different shaped clocks, it shows us the
Yes, ma'am.
same timing. Okay. Now my next question
Excuse me,
is,
ma'am.
yes, please.
Ma'am, I went somewhere out. So what you are doing?
We have started the new chapter, chapter number 4, tick tick tick.
So we have
Okay.
to not
So
write
I am
anything,
discuss.
no?
We will write. We will write. You need to keep the notebook with you. Okay.
But
So
now not we have to
now
not write.
till now we have not written anything.
Okay.
I'm just showing them the images of different clocks and explaining them what is the similar and what is the common thing in all the clocks. Whether the sizes are different, the shapes are different, okay, but still they have common thing. You can see some clocks in the Roman numbers, you can see some clocks in the numbers, okay. The next thing is the clock which we put on the wall is called the wall clock, and the watch which we put on the hand, which we wear here, it's called the hand watch, or we call it as a wrist watch, because this is called what? Wrist. कलाई जिसे हम कहते हैं, right? We call it in English, it's wrist, and it is called
Wrist.
wrist watch, and it is called hand watch also. So different kinds of watch, but they give same timing. And nowadays you have seen smart watches also, digital watches also. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
They give you the numbers in digital. That we learn in the next topic.
Ma'am,
That how to see the digital numbers.
ma'am, in
First,
some
yes,
hand
Aisha.
clocks,
Hmm.
there are some buttons also which are for the time settings and the
Yes, yes.
lightings also.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, in back.
So as I was discussing about the clock. So now tell me, children, in early days, when there was no invention of a clock, how people see timing? कैसे देखते थे? Yes, here, tell me, try.
My son.
By the movements of sun. Yes, very good. Let me take the attendance for a minute. Yes,
Ma'am, by
Ahana,
the
you want to say something, Ahana?
by the ma'am, by the shadow by mistake of the human,
Hmm. By the shadow of?
the human.
No. Yes, by the shadows, not only for human, but by with the shadows. They see the sun is coming till here, when the shadow is coming till here. By the shadow of human also, it can be. If the human is standing and at 4 o'clock हम यहाँ खड़े होते हैं तो हमारा shadow यहाँ तक जाता है. 5 o'clock खड़े होते हैं तो shadow यहाँ तक जाता है. So this way they guess the timing and they guess the sunset
In
and
the
the
evening, our
sunrise.
shadow goes little bit big, no?
Yes,
Means it's the sunset.
sunset. Yes, now go to the next. You can see the common thing, numbers and the hands. And there are 3 total hands in the clock. But in some clock, you can find 2 hands also. I'll show you here. When you see this clock, only 2 hands are there. Maybe second hand is not there. But don't think the seconds are not working. Second only work, then only the hands, the hour hand and the minute hand moves. Right? See, I also have something to show you. What is in my hand?
Clock. Ma'am, clock.
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 Now I want
Excuse
to
me,
explain.
ma'am.
Yes, please.
In a day, how many seconds are there?
I'll explain you. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if there is no second, so we the second which moves like like you have in your hand, then they move, no?
No, there is the second hand.
Yes. So
Hmm.
if there is in a one or two
No,
clocks,
but
there
they
is no
have,
second move.
but they have batteries, no, inside. They move accordingly only. Okay. But don't think if the second hand is not there, the seconds are not going. Just simply the minute hand is directly coming on the another minute, and the hour hand is coming directly on the another hour, right? It is not like that. Second hand moves. So now I'll tell you there are 3 hands. The short hand, okay, it is not having the hands like you. आप जैसे हाथ पैर नहीं होते clock के किसी के. But even if you have seen the cartoon clocks, तो उसको यहाँ पे बाहर बने हुए होते हैं पैर भी, नोज भी एंड ऑल, that are cartoon clocks. But don't think the clocks are having same like hands like us. No, but their hands, their arrows, they move. That is why we are calling them the hands. Okay. So there is a shorthand. This shorthand shows us the hour. This long hand, there are two long hands. One long hand is moving very fast. You can see here which is in red color. But in some clock it comes in same color also. So you will not able to recognize which is the minute hand and which is the second hand. Mute yourself, Arnav. So you will not able to recognize which is the, and those who have joined after 9:30, because I have taken the attendance before 9:30. So those who have joined after 9:30, I am going to mark their absent. I'm clearly announcing in this class, because till that the child will not understand that what is the timing to join the class. So I know, and I have already noted in my attendance that those who have joined on time at 9:30, I have marked their attendance as present. Those who have joined after 9:30, even 1 minute or 2 minutes late also, I will mark their absence. So because see children, I also check my internet issue. I also see that whether I should go 5 to 10 minutes before, why before the time, so that at last I will not feel the internet issues. So if you join after 9:30, if you try joining after 9:30, definitely you will feel the internet issues. You will face. So please join before time, not after the time. And I am not going to mark their presence. I am going to mark the absent. Again, I am going to take your attendance so that I will differentiate which all the students have joined before the time, before 9:30, and which all they joined after 9:30. So again, I'll continue. As I was explaining you about the hands, there are total 3 hands. One is shorthand. Shorthand is the hour hand. One is, there are 2 long hands. In some clock, 2 long hands can come in same color also. But here they are different colors. So you can easily find out which is the second hand and which is the minute hand. But I tell you how to find out which is the minute hand and which is the second hand. Minute hand is the hand which moves little slower than the second hand. Second hand is the hand which move very fast. आप पलक के झपकोगे तो वो एक राउंड काट लेती है. ओके, व्हेन यू ब्लिंक योर आईज, इतनी देर में वो पूरा राउंड काट लेती है. 1 मिनट कवर कर लेती है एंड 60 सेकेंड्स. इतनी देर में वो इतना फास्ट सेकेंड हैंड चलता है. सो ऑलवेज सी दैट द हैंड व्हिच इज मूविंग वेरी फास्ट इज द सेकेंड हैंड. जब वो सेकेंड हैंड पूरा 1 मिनट में 60 सेकेंड्स का राउंड, 1 मिनट राउंड काट लेता, मीन 60 सेकेंड्स का, then only the minute hand will move. Understood? Then only the minute hand move from 1 minute to the another minute. जब पूरा वो सेकेंड हैंड जो है एक 12 से लेकर नेक्स्ट पूरा कंप्लीट 12 तक राउंड आ जाता है, तब जाके मिनट हैंड जो है फ्रॉम 1 नंबर टू अनदर नंबर मिनट पे मूव करता है. अंडरस्टूड? एंड सेम लाइक ऐसे ही व्हेन मिनट हैंड take the complete round of 60 minutes. You know, in 1 hour, how many minutes?
60 minutes.
60 minutes.
60 minutes.
तो जब मिनट हैंड जो है वो कंप्लीट 60 मिनट्स का राउंड ले लेता है पूरा, then only the hour hand change from 1 number to another number. ये पूरा अंडरस्टैंडिंग है क्लॉक को समझने की कि आवर हैंड अगर मेरा अभी 9 पे है, सो हाउ इट विल मूव टू द 10, हाउ इट विल गो व्हेन दिस मिनट हैंड will take a complete round of 60 minutes, then the hour hand will move from 9 to 10. Understood? Okay. And the gap between the each number is of 5 minutes. For example, if I show you this time, when the shorthand is on which number? The shorthand, Kiana, don't leave the class. Give the answers in the class, okay? Which?
10 o'clock.
10. I'm asking the shorthand is on which number?
10.
10. Mir Virani, the long hand is on which number?
Ma'am, the long hand is in 12.
12. So children, how to read the o'clock time? When the shorthand is on any number and always the long hand is on 12, then it's a o'clock time. Okay. Now Mohammed Patel, look here.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking from you now. Next. What time this clock is showing? Shorthand और long hand समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, shorthand is on which number?
11.
So what time it is? Mohammed Patel, long hand is on which number?
12.
12. तो जो shorthand जिस पे number पे होगा and long hand always 12 पे होगा, so you will read the. Mute yourself, Mir Virani. Then we say the time is 11 o'clock क्योंकि shorthand 11 पे है और long hand 12 पे है. तो क्या time हुआ है मोहम्मद?
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. Again, I am asking from you only. Now, if tell me, both the hands on 12. दोनों hand 12 पे हैं. What time it is showing?
12 o'clock.
Very good. Now, Varinya.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the short hand is on 1 and the long hand is on 12. What time it is showing?
And it is 1 o'clock.
हाँ, 1 o'clock. O'clock जब भी होगा, so always the long hand will be on 12 and the short hand will be on any number, right? Now, next. Ahana.
Yes, ma'am.
What time it is showing?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Next, Dirg. What time it is showing?
Yes, ma'am. I can see clearly the whole clock.
Now see.
3 o'clock.
Yes.
3 o'clock.
Navya. Navya,
Yes,
wait, I will ask from you now. And don't think itni fast क्यों जा रहा है? I am doing it from the back. Okay? From the battery. But the hour cannot change this much fast. इतनी जल्दी change नहीं होता. Yes, Navya. What time it is showing?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Next is Arnav Desai.
Yes, ma'am.
What time it is showing?
6 o'clock.
Yes. So I think everyone knows that how to read the o'clock time. When the shorthand, can anyone explain me how to read the o'clock time? Yes, Deep. Deep, please
Ma'am,
explain.
can I do?
Yes, Deep, please explain.
When the minute hand will go to
When the hour hand. Start from hour hand.
when the hour hand
Mhm.
Ma'am, what is
The hour hand. I'm asking how you will explain the o'clock time. कब बनता है o'clock time?
the hour hand goes to one number to another number.
Any number it can be, yes. And the minute hand is always on
12.
is always on 12. So we will see the shorthand is where. किस number पे shorthand है? According to the shorthand, we say this is the timing. Okay, got it? Now comes when the minute hand moves. When the minute hand, this is the long hand which you can see, which is on 12. When it moves from 12 to 1, the gap between 12 to 1 is of 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay.
5 minutes.
So what is the time now?
6:05.
6:05.
Okay, you can call it as 6 hours and 5 minutes also, and 6:05 also. Now it is going from 1 to 2.
6:10.
6:10. 6:10.
6:10. Kiana, you know that 6:10 it is because you need to read the shorthand also, and according to shorthand, you will see in the other. We write the time in two columns, hours and minutes.
Ma'am, it is all the timer only.
Mute yourself, Deep, mute yourself, please. We write the time in two columns, hours and minutes. Hours, you see the where is Navya, mute yourself. For hour hand, you see where is the hour hand, and for minutes, you will see where is the minute hand. So if I see this timing, okay, Dirk, I'm repeating again. Hour hand is clear to you, Dirk? How to see o'clock time?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are learning how to see minute time also. As you all, me, Virani, mute yourself. As you all know that we see timing, we write the timing in 2 minutes and hours also. Okay. After o'clock is done, that's 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and in with the hour hand is on any number, and the long hand is always on 12. Now go to the minutes. How to see the minutes? First, whenever we write, we say the time, we first say the hours, then we say the minutes. Hours we say according to the where is the hour hand. So the here the hour hand is on 6. And now we will see where is the minute hand. Minute hand, when it is moving, suppose it was here on 12. Now it is moving from 12 to 1. So you will not say 6-1. It will be wrong. You will say
6:05.
6-5. Why you will say 6-5?
Ma'am,
Because
because
there is
each gap is all 5
each
minutes.
gap is of 5 minutes. 12 से 1 के बीच में आप जब small lines count करोगे, so you will count there are 5 lines. So means 5 minutes. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And 1 minute equals to how many seconds?
60 seconds.
60 seconds. 1 minute equals to how many seconds?
60 seconds.
James, do you understood how to see the minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So on it, if it keep on moving from 1 to 2, now we can say it's 6:10.
6:10.
6:10.
Now it is coming on 3.
6:15.
Harshil, 6:15 is clear to you?
Ma'am, quarter past.
Yes, I'll tell you, Prayag. Wait. Hansel, it is clear to you? How to Hansel? Hansel, if you don't answer in the class, no, you will be graded according to that. C, D, E, then you will don't tell me. Ma'am, why I got this grade? Because you don't answer in the class. And you are sitting in a dark place, even not visible to me properly. Okay. 6:15. We can say it as 6:15 also. And
Quarter
we can,
half.
and we not quarter half. And we can say it as quarter past. Quarter means
past.
what? Now I'll tell you what do you mean by the word quarter. हम quarter क्यों use करते हैं? Quarter means 15 minutes के लिए use होता है because in 1 hour quarter means किसी भी चीज का 1/4. For example, you take one roti and you take the 1/4 of that. For example, किसी भी चीज के 8 है, 8 को 4 parts में divide करना. अपने 4 friends में so each friend will get how many chocolates?
2.
2. So the quarter of 8 is 2. Quarter means divide that by 4. So 1 hour is having 60 minutes. And if you divide 60 by 4, how many minutes?
60 by 4.
Yes, divide 60 by 4. You will get 15 minutes.
Ma'am, Ma'am, 15 minutes.
So that is why 15 minutes called as the word quarter. So whenever the 15 minutes pass from from 12 to 3 it is coming. So we can either call it as 6:15 also, but in mathematical language we can call quarter past
Quarter
15.
past.
Quarter past 6. Sorry. Quarter past 6.
Quarter past 6.
Ma'am, the 45 is only quarter.
That no, 45 is quarter. I'll explain you that also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this watch is according to 5's table.
Yes. The watch is
5
according
ones
to.
are 5. 5
Yes.
twos are
Now
10.
it is on 4.
20.
5
6:20.
So how many? What time in hours? 6:20.
6:20.
Now
625.
6:25. Quarter half. Quarter half.
wait, Farhana. Wait, I will explain. It is not quarter half.
Half past 6, ma'am. Half past 6.
Yes. Now listen carefully again. Mute yourself, everyone. Still someone mic is on. Okay. So children, when long hand, minute hand is also is coming on 6 and the hour is already on 6. We call it as 6:30. Means 30 minutes have passed. We either call it as 6:30 or we can call it as half past 6. Half means half minutes means 60 minutes में से half time means 30 minutes cover up हो गए हैं 6 के बाद. Past means 6 के बाद भी. Past क्या होता है? जो निकल जाता है, right? Past means the time which has already passed, जो निकल गया. So 6 के बाद, after 6 o'clock, half minutes means half past 6 we call it. Mean total out of 60, half 30 minutes have also passed. So we call it as half past 6. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now as it will start moving from 6, अब जैसे ही मिनट हैंड 6 से मूव होना शुरू होगा तो now you can notice that our hand is coming in between 6 and 7. Why? Because अब 7 o'clock बजने वाला है धीरे धीरे करके. तो now the minute hand will come in between 6 and 7, not exactly on 6 also, not exactly
Ma'am,
on
our
7
hand.
also. Yeah, our hand. Not exactly on 6 also, not exactly on 7 also. So you can check here, our hand धीरे धीरे move कर रहा है in between 6 and 7. Now when it is, now the timing is this. Can anyone tell me what is the timing?
Ma'am,
Meet
it's
will tell me. Meet, what time it is showing on my clock?
Ma'am, it's 40. 740.
7:40. No.
No.
It is in between 6 and 7.
640.
तो हम पीछे वाले नंबर को रीड करते हैं. We read 6.
Ma'am.
6:40.
640.
Because 8 5 are 40. 5 की टेबल जा रही है और 8 पे सुई है तो 8 5 are 40. Now go to the, it is going
Ma'am, it's quarter past 2. Quarter
quarter
to.
quarter
two.
past.
No
Quarter
past.
to.
Quarter
No,
to.
not past.
Wait a minute, Priyag and Yug. I know you know before this class, but don't let others to get confused. Let me explain to them also. After that, I'll ask from you also.
Okay,
Children,
ma'am.
now this timing is called as 6:45 also, right? Don't say 7:45. It is not exactly on 7. It is in between 6 and 7. So we will not read our hand as a 7. We read as the before number. 6 को read करेंगे. 6:45. Got it? So it is 6:45. And one more way to say this timing is, in the mathematical term, it is quarter. Quarter का मतलब I explain you. Quarter here with the timing is 15 minutes. 1/4 equals to 15 minutes. अभी 15 minutes और हैं बजने में 7. So we can call it as 6:45. Means when you say this timing to anyone in mathematical term, everyone can understand that 6:45 time है. Means 7 बजे नहीं है, 7 बजने में अभी 15 minutes हैं. 1:45. Quarter past means 15 minutes past हो गए. 1:45 है तो means 15 minutes और बाकी हैं. When we say 1:45, then we use the 7. Then we will not use 6.
Ma'am, it's 10 o'clock now, and I saw the clock.
Yes.
The small hand is on 10, and the big hand is on 12.
Yes. So now it is moving to, we call it as 6:50, then 6:55, and then it will move to the, when the complete 55 के बाद 60, 65.
No, it comes 7. 7 o'clock.
5 12s are 60.
5
And when
12s are
exactly,
60 and
and
7.
exactly when it is coming on 12, we say it as a 7
7 o'clock.
o'clock. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I will ask few questions from you. 1 hour. Now from 6 to 7 it came. So it has covered how many minutes? 1 hour equals
60
to how
minutes.
many minutes?
Ma'am, 60 minutes.
1 hour equals to?
60 minutes. 60 minutes.
Everyone write in your notebook 1 hour. I'll give you some pointers to write. I'll show you here on my screen. And children, the
Yes,
clock
ma'am.
is only showing 12 hours. And in one day, how many hours?
Ma'am, 24 hours the clock
Laisha,
stays 2 rounds.
excellent.
Ma'am.
Here, in one day, how many hours?
24 hours.
But in the clock, it is showing only 12 hours. So how it is possible to cover the... Others, please be quiet. Only here will tell me.
Ma'am, it takes two rounds of one clock, and it's
Yes.
24 hours.
Okay, very good. So children, now can you tell me if it is 7 o'clock? So if I say time to anyone, the time is 7 o'clock, or the time is 8 o'clock, or the time is 9 o'clock, will the person will able to find out whether it is evening, morning, or afternoon? Yes, Arnav Desai.
Ma'am, because the one man said today is 7 o'clock. The man is confused. In morning also 7 o'clock, and
Yes.
and evening also 7 o'clock.
So for to differentiate it from the morning and evening, what we use with the timing?
AM and PM.
Excellent. Everyone knows that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
To differentiate the timing, whether we are talking about morning 7 o'clock,
can say the full form of AM and PM.
wait, or whether we are talking about the evening 7 o'clock.
Also,
So I tell you, from midnight, रात से 12 बजे के बाद, after midnight 12 o'clock, 12 बज के 1 minute भी होगा, we say as the AM.
PM.
रात
Oh, sorry,
AM.
PM. AM.
AM. रात को,
After morning 12, we say PM.
yes.
yes.
From midnight, रात को 12 बजे के 1 मिनट भी हो जाता है, we call it as AM. Till the next morning 12 o'clock तक we call it as AM. And 12 o'clock we don't call. Laisha, let me explain.
Okay.
In a day, how many times you see 12 o'clock?
Ma'am, 12
Ma'am, 2 times. Ma'am,
How
2
many
times.
times you see 12 o'clock?
Ma'am, 2 times.
2 times. One in the morning, one at night. In the morning 12 o'clock, we don't say AM or PM. We use word noon.
Noon.
Ahana, if it is the morning 12 o'clock, what we will use with that 12 o'clock?
Moon.
Not moon, noon, N-O-O-N. Noon.
Yes, I'm saying that only.
Noon. Okay. And if it is a night, 12 o'clock, exact 12 o'clock at night. Kiana, what we call it? Exact.
Midnight.
Very good. Excellent. Rishika. Sorry. Rishik.
I can say the
Rishik,
full
what
form
we
of
call it?
Night 12 o'clock.
Night 12 o'clock. Night 12 o'clock.
and 5.
Midnight or noon?
What?
Night 12 o'clock.
Ma'am?
What we use?
Night 12
I'll move to the next child. If you take this much time.
Ma'am, there is one more.
Okay, mute yourself now. Laisha, night 12 o'clock. What we call night 12 o'clock? Midnight. Deep Patel, morning 12 o'clock. What we use with the morning 12 o'clock? 12? 12 noon. Hit. Night 12 o'clock.
I can
12 midnight. Clear, Priyag? Midnight and noon concept clear? But what about clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Priyag, I'm asking yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So noon and midnight concept is clear. But what about the दूसरे timings के साथ हम क्या use करते हैं? With the other timings we use AM or PM. Now from midnight after 12 o'clock, 12 बज के 1 minute भी हो गया, then it will be said as
AM.
AM. AM till next morning 11:59 तक. 11:59 tak we call it as AM, and as soon as it complete the 12 o'clock it will become noon, and then after noon 12 o'clock 1 minute bhi pass ho gaya, we call it as PM. PM. So can we do quick one or two example with the AM and PM, and I will send you a worksheet based on this. So students, I am taking breakfast at 7:30. So it is AM or PM?
AM.
7:30 AM. I am going for a walk. No, I am playing with my friends at 6:30 AM or PM? I am going to school. I am going to school at 8 o'clock AM. I am taking breakfast with my family members at 10 o'clock. I am taking my breakfast. I am taking my dinner at 9 o'clock.
PM.
I am going for tuitions at 4:30.
PM.
So you students know when to use the AM and PM?
Yes.
So you will today get the two worksheets. One will be based on see the timing and write the timing. Next will be based on write the AM and PM. Okay? Suppose, wait a minute. Yeah, I know Dev. Suppose, mute your mic, Ahana.
Ma'am, I can say you the full form.
Yeah. Tell me the full form of AM and PM, Mir Virani.
Anti-meridian and post-meridian.
Yeah, anti-meridium and post-meridium for PM and anti-meridium for AM. Anti-meridium means before midday and midday means before 12 o'clock. And after 12 o'clock is post-meridium, after midday. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One more thing I want to tell you. Suppose I went to college or the school at 10 AM and I reach after 5 hours. What is the time and what you will use with that time? AM or PM? Suppose I went to the college at 10 o'clock. I reached college at 10 o'clock. But I am coming back after 5 hours. What will be the timing after 5 hours?
After 5 hours? 3 o'clock.
3. So now with this 3, what you will use? AM or PM?
3
Yes.
PM.
So can you see when you starting your journey and then when you coming back, so the unit also change. चेंज फ्रॉम AM to PM हो गया, है ना? आप गए तो AM में थे, लेकिन आप वापस PM में आ रहे हो.
After 12 midnight, it will come AM, and after 12 noon, it will come PM.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, students, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Come in the HRM. We'll discuss more. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.